Hi friends, welcome to Jasmi Studioz. Today we are going to see about the kids project on domestic animals. I made this model from the materials that are available readily in the market. The required materials are thermocol, foam sheets, empty pen stand, ice cream sticks and the domestic animal toys, the plastic trees and the plate. Now let's see it one by one. First let us go to hen. Hen lives in a coop. I just made it with a simple pen stand, empty pen stand, which is surrounded by some artificial grass which I just pasted over this foam sheet. Now let's go to the cow. The cow lives in a shed and I made the shed out of the ice cream sticks, and the roof of the shed I just picked it up from one of the puzzle. Now let's move to the dogs. The dog lives in a kennel and this entire kennel I just made it from the puzzle, and I just stick some artificial grass and some plastic trees around it. Now let's visit the goat. The goat lives in a pen. This pen I just made out of ice cream sticks and stick some artificial grass inside it. Now let's see some cute duckies. The ducks lives in a pond. I just made this pond out of a plate and filled in some water and put some artificial plants in it. I also made a pathway in the middle using a base and put some artificial grass over it. And yep, this is the entire view of a project, and thanks for watching.